Welcome to King Spanner. Today I will show you how to add or manage multiple YouTube accounts using a single Google account. You can see in the upper right corner of your window your profile badge with your profile picture in it. Click it like so. Then go to Settings. Click on Add or Manage your channels. An option to create a new account will appear. Click it and you will be directed to another window. Then type your desired channel name. If asked, verify your account by entering your cell phone number. You can choose if you want Google to send you a text message or voice call for the verification codes. Then continue. Wait for Google to send you the codes. Then enter the codes to verify your account. Now you have created an additional channel using your Google account on it. Click again on your profile badge and then click on Settings. You can add and manage your channels here. And there you have it. You can choose in between your channels where you want to edit or upload your videos. Thanks for watching.